because it won't turn off again, but we're gonna do a little range testing again. So let's see here. You're at 40.4 volts, 100% battery.
Okay.
The park is about 2 miles away.
So what?
But we'll zigzag around and do extra riding. We're gonna go to the pond and stuff, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? You know where that's at.
Huh?
So we got the Cyplus running. Cyplus will keep us pretty accurate. Or the Cycle Plus, Cyplus, whatever. Alright, let's do a little Sparky. Oh, no Sparky. Okay. So, alright Jada, for the YouTube video, where are we going? We're going to the park?
Yeah.
Going to the new park?
Yeah.
Check out the pond first.
Yeah.
You got 40.6 volts, 40.4 volts, you're ready to go. This is the MX350 with the 650 speed controller, Ryobi battery setup, stock 48 volt Mototech. So I do like the Mototech so far, the 48 volt. The one thing that I don't like is the half twist throttle. I got this thing for 2 reasons. 1, ride around with kids and the family. 2, stunt around on. And the half throttle is very hard to modulate for me to do wheelies. Once I get up, I can't really modulate it holding onto this half throttle and hanging onto the bike at the same time. Jada's bike, her MX350, like I said, has the 650 speed controller in there, stock MX350 motor. Huh?
I realized nobody's riding.
Here, I didn't hear you. Stop 1 second.
Huh?
Stop 1 second, I didn't hear you.
Oh, I realized nobody's riding today on a bike.
No, we might see a lot of people. Okay, that guy's jogging. And then the stock seat definitely is not the most comfortable seat. I'm gonna try to do the CRF 110 seat mod, use that cushion, throw another seat cover over top of it. Do the high seat. And then I have a set of I didn't say anything. And then I have a set of Pro Taper bars for this. I had actually already installed them, and then I took them off because I couldn't route the rear brake line to fit. I need to extend the line, so I just put the stock bars back on in the meantime. But I do have some Pro Taper high risers, so I think when I do the seat mod, I'll throw those higher bars back on. You know, give it just a little bit more comfortable of a riding position there. Yeah, it's not bad. I mean, I can modulate the rear brake pretty good to keep myself up at balance point. As you can see, I'm dancing all around and everything to keep it up there. But I've been having my fun with it. I've got, this will be the 5th, 6th battery cycle through it. It's been lasting me good, close to 10-mile trips. Weigh about 150. 5'10", not the biggest guy in the world. I've seen you skid your tire in a while. Whoa, look at that hill. You think your bike can go up it?
No.
Let's try. Let's do the hill test on your bike. Alright, this hill's decent. It's not crazy. 48 volt Mototech. 150 pounds. Huh? I want to see if your bike can do it, because usually hills are like a really hard thing for electric bikes to go up.
No.
Okay. Maybe another day. So yeah, my problem is I can get the balance point and then I can modulate the brake good, but I'm slowly slowing myself at balance point with the brake, But I have the throttle full throttle because, like I said, I can't modulate it. And then I'll be at balance point going slow trying to pick up speed, but as soon as I let off the brake, I'm full throttle, so it's just throwing me off the back. And then the wife's pocket mod that I just picked up, and like I said, I threw a Fast Scooters, I think it is, 36 volt kit on there with the stock motor, and I'm not impressed. It's not going to be able to do what I needed to do for my wife. She's about 140 pounds, 145. We were about weigh about the same. And I'm also want to hook up a kid's bike trailer to the back of her pocket mod so that she can pull our son around in there. How do you play on that? Are you hungry? Are you hungry?
Yes.
Huh?